Mechanical keyboards became a substantial part of the gaming world, as the gamers are always searching for equipment that can significantly affect their gaming performance. That's why, in this video, I will make a detailed overview of one of the best mechanical keyboards in the market, which is known as the Corsair K95 RGB Platinum. As you all know, Corsair is a big player in the gaming world, and I'm sure that many times when you've been searching for a gaming peripheral, the name Corsair had popped up many times. So, let's find out why do gamers favor this keyboard so much. From a design perspective, the Corsair K95 RGB Platinum measures 18.3 inches in length, 6.7 inches in width, and 1.4 inches in height. In addition, this keyboard weighs around 2.92 pounds or around 1.32 kilograms, which makes it lightweight and very mobile, especially when you want to bring it with you during LAN parties with your friends. The Corsair K95 is constructed of an aircraft-grade anodized brushed aluminum frame, which stands for durability and portability at the same time. I really love this type of construction, since you can use it for years without affecting its performance or deal with scratches. The K95 will always keep its original shape and look clean, so even if you've been using it for a couple of years, the chances that you will notice any difference in its performance or look are almost non-existent. Moreover, the K95 boasts a 104 key layout that is accompanied by 6 G keys positioned along the left of the keyboard. You will instantly notice that they are a bit different from the other keys because they are clothed with a muted silver texture. Before I start talking about the keys in detail, there are some things worthy of considering, such as the wrist rest and the connectivities. The wrist rest is full length, dual-sided and detachable, so you can easily remove it if you prefer playing without a wrist rest. But Corsair acted very smartly by applying a gentle micro finish on one side, while on the other the texture is a bit rougher, so you can use the one that suits you the best. Regardless of which side you're going to use it on, it will be very comfortable, so you won't deal with strains after playing for hours. The connectivities include only a USB port that is placed on the top edge of the keyboard. You won't find things such as an audio jack for connecting your headphones, which is a bit awkward if we take into consideration its salty price. But I will leave it up to you to decide whether we can consider it as a remark, since there are people who prefer simplicity and some prefer their peripherals to have a lot of connectivity options. Either way, the Corsair compensates this issue by including an X-shaped arrangement of 2 cable channels that will keep your wired headset underneath the unit, so you won't deal with a messy cable management. Finally, we have reached the most important and fun section for you, the keys. The K95 Platinum utilizes the well-known Cherry MX speed key switches, which actuate with just 1.2 mm of movement and about 45 grams of force. This is particularly useful in FPS and phase-based games, where the key to winning the round is the fast responsiveness. To be more precise, regardless of your gaming skill, the keys will detect your gestures lightning fast, so you will play like a pro. I also want to mention that this model has 100% anti-ghosting full key rollover, which means that you can click on plenty of keys at the same time, and they will be registered completely fine. Corsair also includes a set of swipeable WASD keys, which have the same texture grade finish as the G keys, so you can remove and set them whenever you want. Along the top left corner, there are 3 unique buttons. One of them is for adjusting the brightness, the second is for locking the Windows key, while the third is for selecting between user profiles. Yes, you can select between user profiles because this model has 8 MB of onboard memory, which is entirely independent of the external software, for which we will talk soon. On the top right, you will immediately notice the textured metal roll bar, which stands for adjusting the volume, and on its left, there is a mute button, which functions as the name states. Below these 2 buttons, there is a numpad which is strategically positioned so you can access the keys quickly. Furthermore, there is the word RGB in the keyboard's name, so let's talk about the lighting features which are included in this Corsair software. The Corsair Utility Engine software has a user-friendly and a very intuitive interface, so you can make a variety of adjustments on it easily. For example, you can choose multiple combinations of lighting effects such as pulse, wave, rain and many more, which will definitely increase your gaming ambience and experience. There are up to 16.8 million RGB colors to choose from, which is insanely good, so you will have plenty of customizable options so your gaming sessions will never be the same. Corsair also has a huge community of RGB fanatics, which is getting bigger every day, so you can choose from the uploaded lightning schemes as well. In addition, by using the CUE, you will also have an opportunity to preview the virtual representation of your devices, as well as see which keys are mapped to custom inputs in real time. To conclude, the Corsair K95 RGB Platinum is pricey and maybe not suitable for every budget, but everything good comes with a high price. However, I would say that its features make up for the price. That's why, if you're looking for a feature-full keyboard, which will dramatically increase your gaming potential and experience, then you should definitely consider the K95 Platinum as your next purchase. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If you want to find out the price and more information about this keyboard, you can check out the links down in the description and the comment section below. And if you have any questions related to it, you can leave a comment down below and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in the next video.